not because of anything, timely they have been provided food to everybody. Nobody is sitting here with empty stomach. If at all anybody is sitting, only over on the dais, they are sitting with empty stomach. Enough time we have taken. I don't want to take much of your time. You have been heard many of these speeches here. Most committed personalities, most dedicated personalities. On behalf of the overall development of Meghalaya, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Diengkhong, Honorable Chairman of this Dorbar Iktiar Paidbah, Honorable Chief Executive Member, KHDC, PSM, distinguished members of Executive Committee, Chairman of KHDC, Jylla, Leader of Opposition, Paidbah.18, Advisor to the Government of Meghalaya, Sean, sorry, I cannot correctly name some of the names here. And Honorable MDC, respected CM, Mantris, Lingdos, Sardar, Vadas, Rangba, Strongs, Rangba Kurs, estimate representatives of different corps and Darbars, Seng Long, Kime, Seng Kainte, Seng Samla, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, Uble, Lapi, Baroha. I assure you, within no time, definitely I am going to learn the local language. I feel deeply honored to stand before you, this public empowerment assembly called Dorbar Iktiar Paidbah, which reflects our shared commitment to the progress and well-being of our communities. The identity of Meghalaya is tied to its material system, which is the foundation of our Kasi, Jantiya and Garo societies. This system honors our mothers and women, folk, and ensures continuity of our rich traditions. I felt privileged in assenting the landmark amendments to the Council's Autonomous District Administration of Jylla Amendment Bill 2023 and the Council's Autonomous District Quasi-Social Customs and Lineage Amendment Bill 2023, which are testaments to the empowerment of our grassroots institutions of this society. I urge every citizen to cherish and protect our social heritage and customs. Let us celebrate it, adopt it, and further for modern times, and ensure that it remains a source of pride for generation to come. The autonomous district councils are custodians of our traditions, lands and governance system. Argue our ADC leaders to collaborate with the state government to bridge tradition and progress, which is essential for overall inclusive development of our state. Education is the cornerstone of our future. Our youth, deeply rooted in their heritage, must also be equipped to succeed in a modern, competitive world with proper education and skills. We strive for progress. We must address the raging challenges of drug abuse, especially among our youth. This means threatens to rob our future leaders. The drug reduction, elimination and action mission or dream is not only to dream our government, but it should be the dream of each and every one of us for our secure future. I call upon the community leaders, representatives of social organizations and divisions, institutions to come forward and join hands to combat the social evil of drug deals on war footing basis. I request all of you, the whole gathering, to stand and pledge. Let us take this pledge together. I request all of you, please stand for a while to pledge ourselves. Whatever the words I am going to quote, please join hands and join with me. Let us pledge ourselves. Whatever I say, please, without any mind, you have to repeat it. Today, I pledge to commit myself for fighting against the drugs abuse in our societies. As responsible member of my community, I will take all necessary steps for elimination of drug from the lives of our people. I ensure to keep our younger generation remain away from the drugs and try my best to bring them back in mainstream who already fell in this harmful trap. I further ensure that our faith, beliefs and culture traditions should remain dedicated to our values and free from evils like that.